Hey everyone, in today's quick tech how-to video, I want to show you how to get a custom domain name for your YouTube channel. So for example, this right now is youtube.com/channel/ this is the name of the channel, right? But you could actually make this to exactly what you want when you hit a certain milestone on YouTube. And that is, you just gotta pass 100 subscribers. And in this case, it took 129 subscribers for this to become active. It did not become active right at 100. And your channel has to be at least a 30-day-year-old channel. So 30 days, 100 subscribers. Then on YouTube, click your channel profile right here and go to YouTube Studio. And inside of YouTube Studio, on the left side here, click on Customization and then go to Basic Info. Now, if you scroll down, here is the channel URL that you get by default when you create a channel on YouTube. This is what you tell people to go to when they are looking for your channel. But right under that, it says set a custom URL for your channel. Again, this is not available until you hit 30 days and 100 subscribers. Now click it and look at this. Custom URL. Give fans an easy to remember web address for your channel. So by default, saying youtube.com/c/quicktech. Okay, let me try to save that right here on top. And it won't let me because this channel name right here is taken. Okay, I get an error message here. Try adding extra letters or number to make it a custom URL. So I'll name it Quick Tech Videos. Okay, and I got the check mark now, and I could press publish. Okay, so it says confirm your custom URL, youtube.com/c/quicktechvideos, and I could go ahead and press confirm right there. And just like that, I got a custom URL on YouTube. So make sure you claim your custom URL for YouTube and share this with people for an easy way for them to find your channel rather than the channel URL you get by default. I hope you found this quick tech video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.